It was a gorgeous Saturday morning, perfect for Harbor Beach's annual BiYakAthon.
It is called the BiYakAthon. It is a course designed. Basically, it is a short course would be a 5-mile bike, then it's a 2-mile kayak, and then it's a 5K. And then the long course would just be basically the same thing, but the bike is a 13-mile bike ride. But yep, bike, kayak, and run. Yep, all one after another.
Yeah, I'm here in Harbor Beach doing the BiYakAthon today because I actually live here locally, and I've done this event the past 3 years now, and every time it's a good time, a lot of fun, great way to see the city.
We're doing the BiYakAthon again this year. It's an annual event that happens that we enjoyed for the past 10 years probably. We happened to be camping here one weekend, and we were out for a run, and we came down here and said, what's going on here? And that's how we found the BiYakAthon. So we make it an annual trip now. We go camping, and then we bring our bike and our kayak, and we do our thing.
We are here. We have a son and a granddaughter in the BiYakAthon, and our granddaughter is our son's daughter, so they're in it together.
Typically, it's just an event that was put on long before me. Now it's my turn to host it. Local proceeds go to a local, whatever we decide. Fire department would be this year. And yep, it's just a way to people get out. It doesn't take too long to do it, and it gets people of the community out and about, and it's a good way to at least give some money back.
So my favorite part is typically the bike portion because I'm a cyclist by nature, but I'm learning to love running as well.
All of it is fun. It's the bike's great. They got a good route, and being out in the water is just amazing. And we've been lucky that it hasn't been super wavy yet. And then the run is just amazing, you know, to be by the water. It's fun.
This is quite an enduring race for them to be in. And it kind of promotes Harbor Beach, and what more beautiful scenery than and a beautiful day, no humidity.
It's really great. You know, Harbor Beach has a lot of really cool events, and this is another one that I really appreciate just being here and being able to take part in.
I like to partake in the event. I like to see the people of Harbor Beach that normally probably wouldn't do something like this show up and do it. So that's good to see. It's just anytime, if I could put more events on, I would. I just like to see people in Harbor Beach do stuff like this.
For more information about the BiYakAthon and how you can join next year's event, visit their website at biyakathon.org.